Did you know that you can assign a number value to a deficiency? This is called a priority key metric, and it's a great feature to use to separate high-risk issues from low-risk issues. A low-risk issue is a deficiency that may be cosmetic, such as a paint or drywall scratch. A high-risk issue may be something that could cause structural damage, water damage, or result in injury or a lawsuit if not corrected promptly and completely. You'll probably want to pay special attention to high-risk issues, giving them a special process to ensure they are fully resolved. To assign the priority, the inspector can enter the number value in the field right on the Open Deficiency checkpoint. Or you can even pre-assign the priority value for each checkpoint so the inspector doesn't even have to think about it. FTQ360 provides several tools you can use to manage and monitor the priority level of each deficiency. The first tool is the Priority Open Deficiency Dashboard. This panel will display the number of deficiencies in each risk group. Here you can see that this building company has 27 deficiencies assigned 1 or a low risk, and 8 issues assigned 5 to 10 or a high risk. If I click the 5 to 10 block on the dashboard, I can filter the data to see where these high-risk issues are located and exactly what they are. Also, take a look at the Responsible Party Performance Dashboard, which provides a panel showing the total risk exposure by responsible party and the priority total value by checklist and checkpoint dashboard, which ranks the checklist and checkpoints producing the greatest risks. You can also run data queries such as the Q1025 that includes the priority values for each checkpoint. This data can be opened in an Excel spreadsheet so you can further sort and filter the data as needed. To set up a priority key metric, go to Setup, Customization, Key Metrics. The very first line item on this screen is designed as the priority field. It's labeled Priority, but you can change the term in the description field. Double check that this is clicked active and the priority field will appear on all deficiency checkpoints in your account. To pre-assign the priority value for each checkpoint, go to the Checklist Setup Process screen. In this example, I've identified the checkpoint on this window install checklist and can preset the value under Key Metrics. Now, when the inspector identifies an issue with caulking on the window install checklist, the deficiency will already be set to 10 or high risk. If you have any questions about setting up or using the priority key metric, please contact us. We'd be happy to help.